Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to solve the MetaTrader 5 no connection error. When this message appears, MT5 is unable to communicate with your broker server, which means price data won't load and trade functions won't work. So we'll go through several troubleshooting steps, starting with the simplest fixes and working our way through the platform settings. So the first thing to check is your internet connection. Open a few websites in your browser and verify that they load properly. If the pages are slow or won't open, restart your router or modem and wait a minute before reconnecting. MT5 requires a reliable internet connection, so resolve any network problems first. Next, refresh the server connection inside MT5. Look at the lower right corner of the platform where the connection status is displayed. Click on that area and select Rescan Servers, which may also appear as network rescan on some versions. Wait a few moments while MT5 searches for available servers. This refreshes the connection and can often fix the issue immediately. If the error remains, verify that you're logged into the correct trading account and server. So you're going to click on File at the top left corner, choose Login to Trade Account, enter your account ID, password, and select the correct server assigned by your broker. Be sure to choose the prepared live or demo server depending on your account type. The server information should match the details provided in your broker's client portal or account confirmation email. So you're going to check your login credentials carefully for mistakes and make sure caps lock isn't enabled. Click OK and monitor the connection indicator in the bottom right corner to see whether the platform reconnects. If you're still disconnected completely, close MetaTrader 5 and launch it again. After reopening the platform, sign back into your account. A restart can often resolve temporary software issues. If the problem still continues, your firewall or antivirus software may be preventing MT5 from accessing the internet. So you're going to simply head over to your security, you're going to go to firewall and select allow an application, and then you're going to search for MT5 over here. It is usually the terminal64.exe application. So you're going to add it to the list of allowed programs or exceptions. Once that's done, you're going to simply restart MT5 and test the connection again. Also, you're going to make sure that your MT5 is updated to the latest version. If any update is available, download the newest MT5 installer from your broker or the official MetaTrader website, complete the installation, and sign in again.